How to log in into IRCC account. Let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser that you prefer and on the search URL type in canada.ca. Press enter in your keyboard. Now you have to choose the language according to your preferences. Here I'll go with English. Now once you get to this interface, navigate to this menu from your left hand side, click on it. A drop down box will pop up. From here, click on Immigration and Citizenship. Now, if you navigate to the right hand side, you will get few options as my application, visit, immigrate, work, study, citizenship, and many more. So you can choose any one of these, or there you'll get an option to sign into your IRCC account. Click on it. Once you do that, you will get to this page where it says Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada account. From here, it says what you want to do. So click on sign into your account. After that, it will give a bunch of options with the type of account. Now choose any one from here and click on it. After that, again, you get an option either you would like to log in with your GCKEY or through the IRCC portal. So you can choose any one of this and then click on it. After that, then you will get to this interface. From here you have a sign in page. It says GCKEY username and password or sign in partner. From here, click on this first option if you would like to log in with your username and password. Now you will get to sign in page. Here, enter your username associated with your account and under that, enter your correct password. In case you forgot your username or password, there is a link provided that says forgot your username or forgot your password. Click on that, follow some screen instructions, and after that, you will be able to recover your account. After you're done typing in your username and password, click on the sign in button, and if you have entered the correct login credential, you'll be logged in with your account. And that's the way to log in into IRCC account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.